This recipe uses stale bread scraps to create a toast and caramel mousse dessert, taking something that would have normally been thrown away and giving it a second life. To start, you'll need 100 grams of stale bread. Cut it up roughly into cubes and toast it in your oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit until golden. Add 300 grams of milk to a pot along with your toasted bread. Cook on low until all the milk is absorbed and the bread has gone completely soggy. Remove from the heat and pour in 600 milliliters of heavy cream. Transfer it to a container and refrigerate for a minimum of 1 hour. Once cool, blitz the bread mixture until smooth, then pour through a strainer. Transfer the liquid to a stand mixer and whip. Once soft peaks have formed, add in 150 grams of powdered sugar and mix through. Transfer the toast-flavored whipped cream to a bowl and set aside. Add 2 egg whites to a mixing bowl and whip until light and fluffy. Then gently fold the whites into the whipped cream in 3 additions and refrigerate. For the caramelized breadcrumbs, dice 100 grams of stale bread. In a pan on medium heat, add in 50 grams of butter, 100 grams of sugar, and 35 grams of brown sugar. Then add your breadcrumbs. Stir occasionally for 5 to 10 minutes until the bread is dark and caramelized, then transfer to a parchment-lined pan to cool. Once cool, the breadcrumbs will be super crunchy, so it's best to chop them up into smaller crumbs, or you can pulse them in a RoboCoupe or blender. Now, all that's left to do is to serve up the mousse. And top it with the caramelized breadcrumbs. If you like this video, consider subscribing, and connect with me elsewhere at chefstudio_.